This lesson's about the when, right, of motion or time. Okay. Again, our learning target is I will apply my understanding of position, distance, displacement, time, vectors, and scalars to analyze and describe the motion of objects, making distinctions between different types of quantities and their roles in physical descriptions. All right. So time is something that you're familiar with, right? So just have to remember that time is a component quantity of various measurements, right? Meters per second, speed. Speed has time in it. It isn't time, but it has time. Okay. Some things you need to know. Time can only increase. Okay. Time can never be negative. And then time travel has not been invented yet. Okay. Those are three things that we absolutely have to follow. The difference between two times is called a time interval, most commonly noted as delta t. There's that delta sign again. Remember, delta means the change in, and in this case, it would be time. Okay. And so delta t, change in time, is the final time minus the beginning time. Okay. So in our picture, if we go from the first runner to the second runner, and we look, from 0 to 1 would be the time interval, right? But if we go from the beginning to the end, in this case, it's the final time minus the beginning time. So 5 seconds minus 0 seconds is 5 seconds. Time is often measured in seconds. In physics, it's definitely measured in seconds, but it can be measured in hours and minutes, or days, but we don't really work with that in physics. In physics, the time should be expressed in seconds, right? Anytime that you're given anything, it should be expressed in seconds. The conversion from hours to seconds is 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Okay. And then the conversion from minutes to seconds is 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. All right. So to sum it up, time is a component quantity of various measurements and it's used to sequence events. Okay. Time can only increase and time cannot be negative. Time interval is delta t, and that's equal to the ending time minus the beginning time. And then in physics, the time should be expressed in seconds.